So what's up, you lovely people? Ayush here, and in this vlog I'm going to talk about how to record audio for action camera which has got no external mic support or mic support, but the audio is not so great. Like in my Go Noise vlog edition, it has got an external mic support, but the audio is not so great. Like it gets sounds of external too much, like the outside the helmet noise it captures, the wind blast it captures a lot. So what I'm doing now, I'm using a Sony earphone and recording the audio in my smartphone. So like when I start a video on my action camera, there almost simultaneously I start recording on my mobile also, so that there is not much of delay in the audio of both the video and the audio. And to sync the audio and video, what I do is I just make noise, just like by clapping or by honking the horn, so that there are some high graphs of audio in the video editing section, which will help me to edit the audio and the video and sync both without any delay. So this is the audio quality of my external microphone, like what we all are hearing now, and this is the audio quality of my internal microphone, or the Sony microphone, I say, the microphone I use for use in my smartphone to record the audio. So you all can judge now how is the quality of the Sony microphone and the external microphone. You can also wrap the microphone of Sony with some foam, which will reduce some more wind noise. Like in Sony microphone also, there are some wind noise, but your audio is clear. But in the Go Noise external mic, the audio is not that much clear, and also wind noise is very much. I have also used foam and all the tapings all, but that didn't help. But in Sony it will help you a lot. Also you can use Apple microphone or earphone, so that you can record better audio. Or you can also use the microphones which has got noise cancelling feature, so that it will not record any of the external noise or the minimal external noise. So that will help you a lot in making the vlog, and also making your video more better in the audio quality too. Because in motor vlogging, video can be on the average side, but the audio should be on the top level, so that what the story you are telling to the audience, they can understand it better. So that's all from my side. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Signing off.